coincidence? Probably, but we just moved in here and I want to cut control.
Yeah, I understand. Talk to her.
2 o'clock. It's, like sundown for her.
Okay, fine. Hold my number.
All right.
Oh, forgot one.
Yeah. Hello, darling. Are you here? Darling?
No. No, sleep apnea is far more common than you think.
Alexa?
Hey, Ethan, someone and I were just talking about you.
What are you doing up there?
He's a big part of your life. I wanted to meet him.
It's great. I'm way less anxious than I thought I'd be. You should come up.
No, I'm
What
going
do
to
you
get
say?
home.
I gotta be what?
Oh, seriously?
No le será muy veces.
That's what I was telling you about. If I saw.
Thanks, Mishka, hello. Ma'am.
She was like you said. It's good for friends. Also good for making babies.
Terrific. Mishka, stop it. About the bread.
What about the bread?
We love the bread. The bread's great. We don't, stop it. We don't deserve the bread. You see, it's too good for us.
So bad. It's strong. You will make giant babies.
Stop it. Oh. I don't know how those got in there. I don't even, I'm going to go upstairs and make those giant babies now, you know, because then I'll get more work on the field. Oh.